The recent eruption in Kamchatka has sent shockwaves through eastern Russia, with numerous aftershocks rattling the region. Tsunami warnings were lifted, but the tremors still linger, keeping residents on edge. Experts are particularly concerned about the impact on Russia's nuclear fleet, as the megaquake raises questions about safety protocols. Meanwhile, the Pacific continues to feel the effects, with Japan bracing for the waves. This situation is a stark reminder of nature's power and the ongoing risks we face in seismic zones.